that.
175
Okay,
million.
Garmin. Save video. They put on a show for free. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Keep on telling.
No, 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 no.
Dude. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Yeah, that's fine.
I realize they're not from around here. What a funny little car.
That's full speed, right?
Oh my god. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Meet the winds. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Dude, really?
There's a reason it's all like bent in on the side, because he probably does this with everybody.
Dickhead.
Really doing nothing at that point. So
Nice stop.
it might actually be nice in a situation like that to have something to occupy your time.
That can't be right.
Look at these guys.
Are you guys in a race?
Okay, Garmin. Save video. Save video. See, look, she didn't even look.
Nope.
Oop, not happening.
What?
Okay, Garmin. Another person. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Hey, look at this truck eat the butt of this car. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Wow, my
Save video. Save it. Come on.
save video.
Save video. Save. Jeez.
Now you're looking?
Dude, you're not from around here, are you?
Oh my
I don't know
god.
what he's doing. It's like there's
What
something
the are you
in
doing?
his front seat or something. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Freaking idiot. Oh my gosh. Okay. Dude.
That was weird. What
Okay, Garmin. Save video. It was just weird. A weird
Yeah.
thing to do.
But it's not beyond. Hey, look.
He ran the red.
He did it on purpose because it's hard for him to make a turn. That was weird.
Save video. Morons. What the actual F, dude? In the rain, pouring rain, you're gonna cut in front of me and then slam on your brakes. What? Holy FedEx.
I'm like, I don't want to hit other people, no matter
Yes.
what. That's like the cardinal thing.
Look what the other one just like tried to run off the road. What are you guys
Okay,
doing?
Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Are they like
heck?
fighting?
I don't know. It's like it's like someone unleashed all the male people, and now they're like,
Oh great. The car in front of the male person needs to get over.
holy. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Oh, look at that. Look at all that water. Holy crap.